I welcome you all of you to this channel. Scouting Guiding Part 5 in Pravesh about left handshake by English. Usually we will give the handshake like this. See, this is the handshake, this is the handshake. But these all are right handshake. But in scouting and guiding, we are having left handshake. Left handshake in scouting. See, this is the left hand shake. See, the scoutmaster and scout, whenever that is scouts or guides meet each person, they have to give their left hand for shaking and salute by the right hand. This is in scouting and guiding. See, the two guides, they meet, they are using the left hand for shake and right hand for the wish. Okay, salute. See, what's the difference? Now you can find out. See, this is the right hand. See, here right hand is and here left hand. Okay, so now you difference, you can understand the difference. What is the right hand shake and left hand shake? Clear ma? Left hand shake and right hand shake. Okay. Now, first let us know what is Ashanti. Where is Ashanti? Not what is, where is Ashanti? Ashanti in Africa. The Ashanti, see, Ashanti, this area is called Ashanti. This is in Africa. The Ashanti are the dominant ethnic group of a powerful 19th century empire. Clear? Now you understood what is Ashanti. The next point about Ashanti. Ashanti was one of the few African states. Ashanti is nothing but it is a few African states that seriously resisted European colonizers. Resisted European colonizers. Okay, right. Next, there was a code of honor which said that unarmed man who could not defend himself was never attacked. See, with that is unarmed man who could not defend himself was never attacked. What is called armed man? See, he has spears and shield in his hand. He is armed person. He is having some weapons. Unarmed man. See, now he dropped the spear and shield, he dropped. Now this man is called unarmed man. He should not be never attacked. He should not be never attacked. Understood? This is the meaning. The unarmed person should not be never attacked. This statement is very, very important in the left hand shake. For example, in Mahabharata war, you can think about Abhimanyu. When Abhimanyu was unarmed person, he was attacked. Okay. Now you understood. Unarmed man. Clear? Okay. Unarmed man who could not defend himself. Defend himself. Nah, he cannot save himself. That time was never attacked. We should not attack. Why we should not attack unarmed man? Means he is unable to defend himself. Defend means save. He cannot save himself. So that time attack should not be happened. Okay. In 1896, Baden-Powell. Who was Baden-Powell? Who is Baden-Powell? The founder of Bharat Scouts and Guides movement. Was in Ashanti in Africa. He went to meet Zulu tribe leader. Okay. Our chief went to meet Zulu tribe leader. His name is Premp. Premp. P-R-E-M-P-E-H. Premp. First. Okay. In 1896, our chief went to meet Zulu tribe leader who was called Trump. When? In 1896. Baden-Powell was greeted by the African chief. Baden-Powell was greeted by the African chief. See, African chief, he has the shield and a spear. Now, he flung down his shield and spear, said, I come unarmed and I hold out my left hand to you as a sign of friendship and trust. See, he dropped his weapon and he said, now I am unarmed. Okay, so I hold out my left hand to you as a sign of friendship. I believe you. As a friendship and a trust, he dropped everything and now he is giving left hand. Because in the left hand only they are using shield. Shield is saving their life. Shield is used for, see, this is called shield. The shield saving their life from the attack. It is saving their life from the attack. So he dropped and he is saying that I am giving left hand to you as a good maintain friendship and trust. Now, African chief said, no, you must shake my left hand, because only the bravest of the brave shake hands with the left. Only the bravest of the brave shake hands with the left. Because to do so, we must first drop our shields and our protection. Okay, if we want to do, we have to give our left hand to shake, means we have to drop our shield and our protection. One thing. And another point, the left hand is also closer to the human heart. Our heart is left side. So the left hand is also closer to the human heart. So we are giving left hand shake. He explained like that. Next, from that time, so behind the left hand shake of the worldwide brotherhood of Scout. Whenever we use the Scout left hand shake, remember, we have to remember that it is sign of bravery. First point, first word, bravery. Second one, respect, friendship and trust. When we are giving the left hand shake, we have to remember it is a sign of bravery, respect, friendship and trust. Okay, now let us take the word. We know respect, friendship and trust, everything we know the meaning. But let us see the word bravery. Let us see the word bravery. The Ashanti king knew the bravery of Baden-Powell because they fought against him. They acknowledged his bravery with the left hand shake. Okay, now this chief know about the bravery of our chief, so he has given the left hand. Okay, now we are in the Scout movement. We are giving left hand shake. What's the meaning? How? Whether are we brave? Are we brave to each another? The word we are saying, Scouts and Guides, the bravest of the brave. How shall we prove this? Because, see, the Scout and Guide remember their promise. Okay, once Scout is always Scout. Once Guide is always Guide. Okay, now we are remembering our promise. We know this is our promise, to do my duty to God and my country. Whenever we do our duty to God and my country, to help other people and to obey the Scout or Guide law, we are facing so many problems, physically and mentally. So, when the time comes, they are prepared in body and in spirit to render their service. In body and in spirit to render their service. That time, we are facing so many problems. So, we have to move in the brave. We have to face that with the brave. Their record is supreme. So, they are called the bravest of the brave. Now you understood, no? Whether the scouts and guides are bravest to brave. What is the meaning? This is the meaning. When we follow our rules in body, that is physically, in spirit and mentally, we are facing, when we are in service, we are facing so many problems. So that problems faced by our courage, brave. So we are called the bravest of the brave. Yes, now you all understood what is the meaning of left hand shake, why, how, what is the meaning. Clear? Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.